Are you ready for the latest and greatest car gadgets of 2023? In this video, we'll be showcasing the 6 coolest car gadgets that you need to know about. From cutting-edge safety features to futuristic entertainment systems, these gadgets will revolutionize the way you drive. We'll start by taking a closer look at the newest safety technology on the market, including lane departure warning systems and collision avoidance technology. Then, we'll move on to some of the most exciting entertainment options, including virtual reality headsets and advanced audio systems. But that's not all. We've also included some amazing accessories that will make your daily commute a breeze. From smart car chargers to high-tech GPS systems, these gadgets will help you stay connected and organized on the go. So let's start the video. Number 6. Lane Departure Warning Systems. It's a car gadget that uses sensors and cameras to detect the lane markings on the road and warn the driver if they are about to cross the lane without signaling. This technology is designed to prevent accidents caused by distracted or drowsy driving. If the car starts to drift out of its lane, the system will alert the driver with a warning sound or a vibration in the steering wheel. Some systems even have the ability to automatically steer the car back into its lane. Lane departure warning systems are especially useful for long drives or when driving on busy roads where it's easy to get distracted. They are also helpful for drivers who are tired or prone to falling asleep at the wheel. By alerting the driver when they are about to drift out of their lane, these systems can prevent accidents and potentially save lives. Overall, lane departure warning systems are a great example of how technology can be used to improve driver safety and reduce accidents on the road. Number 5. Collision Avoidance Technology. This car gadget uses sensors and cameras to detect potential collisions with other vehicles, pedestrians, or objects in the road. If a collision is imminent, the system will automatically apply the brakes or even steer the car away from danger to prevent a crash. This technology is designed to prevent accidents and save lives. Collision avoidance technology is especially useful in situations where the driver may not be able to react quickly enough to avoid a collision, such as when driving at high speeds or in heavy traffic. By detecting potential collisions and taking action to prevent them, these systems can greatly reduce the risk of accidents on the road. Some collision avoidance systems also have the ability to detect animals on the road and take appropriate action to avoid hitting them. This is especially important in areas where wildlife is common and collisions with animals are a frequent occurrence. Number 4. Virtual reality headsets. It provides an immersive 3D experience while in the car. These headsets can be used for entertainment, education, or even virtual test drives. They work by using high-quality displays and motion sensors to create a virtual environment that feels like a real-world experience. Virtual reality headsets can be used to watch movies, play games, or even take virtual tours of your favorite cities without ever leaving your vehicle. Some virtual reality headsets are designed to track the movement of the car, so the virtual environment changes as you drive through different landscapes. Virtual reality headsets are especially useful for long road trips, as they can provide an entertaining and engaging experience that makes the time fly by. They can also be used for educational purposes, such as virtual driving lessons or learning about different cultures and environments. Overall, virtual reality headsets are a great example of how technology can be used to enhance the driving experience and provide new and exciting ways to entertain and educate drivers and passengers alike. Number 3. Advanced Audio Systems. A car gadget that uses the latest technology to provide high-quality sound in your car. These systems can include features like noise cancellation, equalization, and surround sound to create a premium listening experience. Advanced audio systems are designed to work with the acoustics of your car, providing optimal sound quality no matter where you are sitting in the vehicle. Some systems also have voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant built in, allowing drivers to control their music or other features with voice commands. Advanced audio systems can provide a more enjoyable and immersive driving experience, allowing you to listen to your favorite music or podcast with crystal clear sound quality. They are also great for road trips, as they can keep passengers entertained and engaged for hours. Number 2. Smart car chargers. Smart car chargers are car gadgets that are designed to optimize the charging speed for your devices while in the car. These chargers can detect the type of device and adjust the charging speed accordingly to provide fast and efficient charging. Smart car chargers are especially useful for long drives or road trips, as they can keep your devices charged and ready to use at all times. Some smart car chargers can even monitor the battery level of your car, and alert you if it needs a jump start. Number 1. High-tech GPS systems. A car gadget that provides real-time traffic updates, alternative routes, and even suggestions for nearby points of interest. These GPS systems can also sync with your smartphone to provide hands-free calling and messaging while driving. High-tech GPS systems are designed to make driving easier and more convenient by providing accurate and up-to-date information about traffic conditions, road closures, and other potential obstacles. They can suggest alternative routes to help you avoid traffic and get to your destination faster. Some high-tech GPS systems also have built-in voice assistants, allowing you to control your music, make hands-free calls, and even send text messages without ever taking your hands off the wheel. Thank you for watching our video on the 6 coolest car gadgets. We hope you enjoyed learning about these innovative technologies that are changing the way we drive. These gadgets can help make your driving experience safer, more enjoyable, and more convenient. So why not give them a try and see for yourself what all the fuss is about? Thanks again for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content on the latest gadgets and technologies.